Do you want to create a Starbucks account and start ordering easily? In this video, I will show you how to sign up on the Starbucks app step by step so you can enjoy rewards, offers, and easy ordering. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of Starbucks. In this first page, what you will have is join now. So you click on join now like this. Then we'll add your name, your first and last name. Here you will add your email, password, your country, and you will tap here to accept, like yes, I'd like email from Starbucks and I accept the terms of use, and then we click on join now. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you